Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to walk through how to create a basic door schedule using DraftSight's data extraction tool. Without any further delay, let's jump right into it. Here we have a sheet with a referenced floor plan and we're going to quickly generate a basic door schedule. First, let's take a look at our floor plan. It's important to know that we're using blocks to represent our doors in this floor plan. As previously discussed, blocks provide numerous benefits for both drafting efficiency and file size. Let's use the Smart Select tool to highlight all of the blocks used in this model. This allows us to quickly select and highlight the blocks just for a quick visual aid. Note that we can see the base point of all of these blocks that are represented by the blue grips. This is important and we'll talk about it more in a moment. Switching back to our sheet, let's initiate our data extraction that will generate a door schedule in the form of a table. The data extraction tool is so powerful because you can choose to pull information from entities in multiple files at once, as you can see in this step. For now, we're going to start with all of the entities in this current drawing. We'll filter these entities down in the next step. Now we can see the list of all of the entities contained in this file and in each XREF file as well. We're only interested in the door block that we highlighted earlier, so let's turn off the option to display all entity types and choose to display blocks only. Now we can see a list of every block contained in this drawing. Let's make sure that we only select the blocks we want to extract information from, which are the door blocks. Note that we can use the preview window for our blocks, making our lives a lot easier. Moving on, we now have to select the properties of the blocks that we want in our table. The full list of properties is expansive, as we can see here. So let's filter it down using the category filters on the right side of the window. We're looking for position X, position Y, and any block attributes attached to our blocks, and those are located under Geometry and Block Attributes. Now that we have our properties selected, let's check out the preview of our table. Here we can see each block and the corresponding positions and sizes. We could sort these entities by each column, so let's sort by block name in ascending order. Step 6 gives us the option to choose how we display our info, as a table or an external file. Let's choose both because we want to show the information in our drawing and share it to other teams as well. We get the option to share this table as a CSV or a text file. Our last step is to choose a table style to use for our table in the DWG and title it. Just like that, we now have a basic door schedule. Using block attributes, this schedule can be completely customizable to attach and display any information you and your team would like. One thing to take note of is where the position X and position Y locations are taken from. By default, DraftSight uses the world CCS as the origin and measures to the base point of each block. If you remember, we highlighted the base points earlier in the presentation when we looked at all of the door blocks in the floor plan. This is important to understand if very precise measurements are required for installation. You can adjust the origin point by creating a new CCS to act as the new origin and X and Y axes. We can create a new CCS system through the View tab by running the CCS command and following the prompts in the command window. Once a new CCS has been established, all we have to do is save our model and reload the table, and our position data is automatically updated. Creating a dynamic and streamlined door schedule is one of many things DraftSight can offer with the data extraction capability.